to think about the question being asked to Philip, what prevents you from baptizing me? He wanted to be baptized, seeing the water, asked Philip, what prevents you from baptizing me? And we have to understand that baptism is never a rite. Baptism that we receive in the church is a privilege that comes with responsibility.
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here.
Sobrang saya kasi hindi siya masaya nung binuntis siya eh.
Hindi siya nagpahihirap. Yun.
Oo.
Kumbaga,
Chill lang.
relax lang, walang selan, walang mga bawal. Okay, kasi smooth lang, normal.
Siyempre, laging good health lang din palagi. Then, enjoy niya lang yung pagiging baby kasi andito lang naman kayo para sa kanya. Gagabayan namin siya hanggang sa paglaki niya.
Sana in good health ka ngayon and successful and lahat ng dreams mo at gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo matupad and magkasama kayo ni Kuya Johan. Wish ko sana ma-bless kayo palagi ni God.
Welcome to the Christian World! Yay! We love you! Yay! Welcome to the Christian World! Yay!
Jace Calis, nak, happy baptismal po. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Mamsi. Love you.
Calix, Apo Bunso, lumaki kang may takot sa mamit daddy mo, sa amin din, hanggat nandito kami ni Papsi, aalagaan namin kayong dalawa ng kuya mo at pati si Gianna. Huwag kayo sanang magkakasakit at maging malusog lagi. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Asahan ko na dumating panahon
Sister.
na ganun ka kabait. Magalang lahat at may takot sa Diyos.
Welcome to the Christian world, Apo.
Hi, Jay. Alam mo naman mahal na mahal ka ni Mama Tin. Nandito lang si Mama Tin lagi para sa'yo. Lumaki kang healthy. Yun lang gusto ko mangyari, yung maging healthy ka. Tsaka mahalin mo yung mga magulang mo, tsaka si Kuya Yohan. Love you!
Hi Jace, thank you for the cupcake and welcome to Christian World.
Welcome to the Christian World, Calix.
Welcome to the Christian World, Jace Calix.
Welcome to the Christian World, Case Calix!
Welcome to the Christian World, Jace Calix.
Welcome to the Christian World.